or does it cross a professional line? Joining me to debate this is leading dating and attraction expert for men, Kezia Noble, and the brilliant broadcaster and media commentator, Paula London. Paula, is it wrong to sleep with your colleagues?
Yes, it is. Call me old-fashioned, but I think you should go to work, you not be flirting over the water cooler. And predominantly, you go to work to earn money. Some people are very lucky. They receive intrinsic job satisfaction from their role, but you should be at work to work. There's plenty of time for having your shenanigans after work. You don't need to be flirting with people. And flirting, there's a very fine line between flirting and sexually harassing someone at work. So, yeah.
However,
Don't date your co-workers.
Paula, wouldn't you say, though, that work is a great place to meet a potential long-term partner? Because when you work alongside somebody, you get to know them really well. But Kezia Noble, nothing beats an office romance.
Exactly. Office romances are super fun, and so many of them lead to long-term relationships. I've had office romances and I don't regret any of them. You know, it's a great way to meet somebody because you're with them for 5 days a week. You get to see many aspects of their personality, so you have a clearer idea of who they are. You can make a better judgment. Whereas if you meet someone in a nightclub or a bar and you're a little bit drunk, you can't make such an accurate judgment on the person. And anything is better than meeting someone via a dating app. So I do see your point that it can cause a headache for employers. I do see that. But I do believe that we are adults. We can't be micromanaged. We're not children. This is how people meet each other. If they can't meet in the office, where is there left? Nightclubs and bars, when people are drunk, or dating apps. It's not suitable for everyone.